Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is television and mobile are taking away your reading habits. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very true in today's scenario that television and mobile has taken away our reading habits. Very rarely we read books, very rarely we read newspaper. And why it is happening? Because whatever information we require related to any kind of subject and related to day-to-day happenings in this world, in this country, all those informations are available to us on our mobile phone. Internet has become the prime source of gaining any kind of information, whatever you require. It may be related to general, what is happening in this world and this country, and it may be related to a specific, which is related to your specific subject. Even people have started downloading necessary notes related to their courses, whether they are studying in schools or colleges, on internet. And since the internet is right in your phone, it is very near to you and you can access that source anywhere, anytime, according to your needs and requirements. Now, it has got large number of benefits, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not saying that internet is not important. Internet is the most crucial thing nowadays. It has become a part of our life. We cannot live without internet, and this is the fact of life. And it is good, it is not bad in any way. Internet is best. Internet is best. It is required, it is necessary. Please don't leave internet. I just want to put emphasis on this thing, that because of these things, somewhere we are forgetting reading. Our reading habits are diminishing. We have stopped reading books. If you remember old days when this craze for internet was not there, you will believe this thing that large number of small children, they used to study large number of comic books, they used to study large number of story books. But today we don't see any such kind of thing. Even in my opinion, I have not seen, but I feel like this, that there are very few students of small age group who love to purchase comics, who love to purchase story books or novels. Only those people are loving story books and novels who are in a certain way related to literature, or their profession requires them to be the part of it. Otherwise, all of us are more interested in mobile phone, more interested in watching things on television, gaining every type of information on television or internet. Reading habit is gradually fading away, ladies and gentlemen. But this should not happen. The kind of understanding which reading gives you, no internet can ever give you. The kind of knowledge upgradation that reading does, no television can ever do it. I'm not saying, once again I'm saying this thing, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not saying that television and internet are bad in any way. They are necessary, they are extremely necessary. But please do not forget reading. Please try to have a flair for reading, because reading enhances your knowledge, reading improves your vocabulary. And I'm not talking only about English vocabulary and English language improvement. I'm talking about Hindi also. I'm talking about any other language. Whatever material you read in different types of languages, ultimately it is going to make you perfect in that particular language. It may be Hindi, English, Urdu, any regional language, whatever it may be. If you read books, you will come to know about large number of words which are used in a particular language. And by knowing large number of words, you can know it appropriately, that how these words are used in different types of situations, which ultimately improves your spoken communication skills and also written communication skills. Because since you are reading a text, you are clearly understanding that how you should write a sentence in a grammatically correct manner. It is ultimately upgrading your written knowledge. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, reading helps you to become a mature person. Please use internet, please be associated with online things and other such things, but please have a flair for reading also. Please don't take out reading from your life, ladies and gentlemen. You also might have experienced this thing, that when you read something for a certain period of time, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, you feel very happy. Reading gives you a kind of happiness that no other thing can ever give you. Even watching the same thing on internet or television is not going to give you the same kind of happiness what reading is going to give you, and you can experiment this thing in your personal life. In order to enhance your reading skills, please have a flair for reading, and please have a flair for visiting library. Ladies and gentlemen, very rarely it happens that youth of the country ever visits any library willingly, just to have a flair of all the novels and motivational books that are present in that library, just to have a flair of all the reading material present in that library. Nobody goes to library, ladies and gentlemen. And even in schools and colleges, unless it is absolutely necessary, unless we have to, in case when we have to make assignments, in case we have to make practical paper for internal and external viva, this is the only time when students go to library and they spend a considerable period of time in library to finish their assignments, to finish their practical material and viva material. But apart from this, during regular classes, no student ever takes this initiative of spending some time in library and reading books just for fun. Nobody has this kind of feeling among today's students, ladies and gentlemen. I must say this. Very few students are there who have a flair for reading. And if we lose this habit, ladies and gentlemen, we don't only lose our knowledge upgradation, we also lose our command over a particular language, be it Hindi, be it English, be it any other kind of language. Ladies and gentlemen, reading makes you more mature. Reading makes you more knowledgeable. Reading develops your mind in such a manner that you become a deep thinker, and before taking any kind of action, you give it a deep thought. It makes you more mature. That's why it is my request to all of you that please develop habit of reading in your personality. I'm not saying that television is bad. I'm not saying that internet is bad. But along with this, give a certain time to reading habit also. It is ultimately going to make you a highly knowledgeable person. Internet and television are important, but reading is extremely important. Nothing is bigger than reading, ladies and gentlemen. Always remember this. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.